Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to enable secure boot in Windows 11 but don't know how to do it, you're in the right place. Secure boot is a crucial security feature that protects your system from malware and unauthorized software. It's also required for Windows 11 in many cases. In this video, I will guide you step by step through enabling secure boot, checking if it's already enabled, and troubleshooting any issues along the way. Let's get started. Before enabling it, let's check whether secure boot is already turned on. Press Windows plus R, type MSINFO32, and hit Enter. Look for secure boot state. If it says on, you don't need to do anything. Secure boot is already enabled. If it says off or unsupported, don't worry, I will show you how to enable it now. To enable secure boot, we need to enter the BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. Click Start, then Settings, go to System, Recovery, and under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. When your PC restarts, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, and click Restart. Your computer will now boot into BIOS. If you don't see this option, you can enter BIOS manually by restarting your PC and pressing the correct key during boot. The key depends on your manufacturer. Press F1, F2, or F10 and delete. If you're unsure, restart your PC and look for a message on the screen that says press the key to enter setup. Once inside the BIOS, navigate using keyboard or mouse, find the Boot or Security tab. Look for Secure Boot and select it. If it's disabled, change it to enabled. Some systems require you to set boot mode to UEFI before enabling Secure Boot. If you see Legacy mode, switch it to UEFI first. After enabling Secure Boot, save changes by pressing F10 and selecting Save and Exit. Your PC will restart. Once Windows loads, check if Secure Boot is enabled again. Press Windows R, type MSINFO32, and look for Secure Boot state. If it now says on, you're all set. If it still says off, don't worry, there are a few troubleshooting steps left. If your system is using legacy BIOS instead of UEFI, Secure Boot won't work. To convert MBR to GPT without losing data, open Command Prompt as administrator and type MBR to GPT/convert/allow full OS. Hit Enter and restart your PC. Then go back to the BIOS and try enabling Secure Boot again. If Secure Boot is still not enabling, restarting BIOS to default settings may help. Enter BIOS again using the previous method. Find Load Optimize Defaults, reset BIOS settings, or restore factory defaults, then confirm and restart your PC. After rebooting, go back to BIOS and try enabling Secure Boot again. If you don't see Secure Boot in BIOS, your system firmware might be outdated. To update BIOS, go to your motherboard or laptop manufacturer's website, download the latest BIOS update, follow their instructions to install it, and then try enabling Secure Boot again. And that's it. You have successfully enabled Secure Boot in Windows 11. If you had any issues, let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to help. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.